In the annals of medical history, few advancements have been as transformative as the development of organ transplantation. This narrative recounts the early days of this life-saving procedure, a tale woven amidst the threads of human resilience, scientific curiosity, and the relentless pursuit of innovation. The stage was set in the 1950s, a time of great medical strides. The world was recovering from the devastation of World War II, and the need for groundbreaking medical discoveries had never been greater. It was in this context that a brave new frontier emerged, the realm of organ transplantation. Dr. Joseph Murray, a young surgeon at the prestigious Boston's Peter Bent Brigham Hospital, stood at the forefront of this exciting venture. His vision was to transplant a kidney from one human being to another, a feat that had never been achieved before. The crisis loomed large. Patients with kidney failure were dying due to a lack of viable treatments. The only hope for survival was dialysis, a cumbersome and painful process that offered a tenuous existence at best. Dr. Murray, with unwavering determination, embarked on a quest for a solution. He sought the help of Dr. Adrian Kantrowitz, a pioneer in cardiac surgery, and Dr. James D. Hardy, a brilliant researcher specializing in transplant rejection. The action commenced in 1954, when Dr. Murray chose two men, a healthy donor named Ronald Herrick and a critically ill recipient named Richard Herrick, no relation to Ronald. The operation was risky, fraught with uncertainty, and the medical community was skeptical. On May 23, 1954, under the watchful eyes of a team of surgeons, Dr. Murray removed Ronald Herrick's kidney and transplanted it into Richard Herrick. The operation was a success, marking a milestone in medical history. However, the consequence was a double-edged sword. While Richard Herrick's health improved, the transplanted kidney was rejected by his immune system. Dr. Murray and his team quickly developed a strategy, administering blood transfusions from Ronald Herrick to help combat the rejection. In the following weeks, Richard Herrick's condition stabilized, and he continued to improve. The world marveled at this unprecedented achievement, a testament to the indomitable spirit of human ingenuity. The dawn of life's second chance had arrived, opening a door to a future where organ transplantation would become a beacon of hope for countless lives. This narrative is but a brief snapshot of the early days of organ transplantation. The journey has been fraught with challenges and setbacks, but the spirit of innovation and the quest for life's second chance persist. Today, organ transplantation continues to evolve, offering a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the relentless pursuit of medical advancement.